welcome! Olá, sejam bem-vindos a mais um episódio do Learn European Portuguese Online. I'm very excited. In this video, I will be announcing the 10 winners of the PGlobal giveaway. So stay tuned and I will announce it at the end of the video, and I have a special treat for everybody that participated, okay? Today in this episode, I wanted to talk about different ways of saying to like in Portuguese. To like and to love, okay? There's some verbs that we use quite differently from English, so I really wanted to point those out with specific examples so you guys can talk like locals, okay? So let's start with the verb to like, the main one, which is gostar. Gostar is a verb that commonly is used with the preposition de whenever you like something, okay? So if you want to say, I like ice cream, gosto de gelados, for example. If you want to say, I like soccer, gosto de futebol. So that is our common verb to like, okay? But we also have the verb adorar. Adorar is our verb to like, as in to adore, and we use it much more commonly than in English. I feel like in English we do not use the verb to adore that much, okay? It's very common in Portuguese to say eu adoro futebol, eu adoro ir à praia, eu adoro acampar, as in to camp. So it's very common to use the verb adorar the same way as in English we use the verb to love. Okay, so if in English you say, I love to go to the beach, in Portuguese it's much more common to say, eu adoro ir à praia. If you want to say, I love to go fishing, eu adoro ir pescar. So the equivalent to love in that sense is for things that you really enjoy, is commonly used with the verb adorar in Portuguese, okay? In Portuguese, we also have the verb amar, okay? And amar is our verb to love. However, in Portugal, we tend to use the verb amar for things that are very, very special, very particular. So it's not a word that we use randomly, as in so much in English that we tend to use the verb love much more often. Okay, so we tend to use the verb to love, amar, for things mostly like people, for, friends. Occasionally, you can use the verb amar for objects, but it is much less common. So you're going to hear the verb amar for things like eu amo a minha mãe, eu amo o meu pai, eu amo os meus filhos. Okay? So you really, if you want to use the verb amar in Portuguese, really take into account that it is used for things that are super, super special to you, and that you just don't use the verb amar randomly, okay? You can say, eu amo a praia, but it's not as common as saying, eu adoro a praia, okay? So if you had to make a list, almost like a hierarchy of what is the different levels of the verb to like and to love in Portuguese, I would put the verb gostar, as in to like. Then you have on a higher level, the verb adorar, and then the verb amar. But take into account that amar is much more specific for people. Okay? So I hope this was helpful. And now to our winners. Okay, so here are our 10 winners to our giveaway. Congratulations to all our winners to an amazing prize, an annual subscription to PGlobal. And as a special treat to all of those who participated and subscribed to our channel and gave us a comment on the video, you also have a special treat, which is 1 month subscription to PGlobal. Okay, so I will be replying to all of you guys on the video, to all your comments, but feel free to reach out to me on my website, learneuropeanportugueseonline.com, where I will then If you give me your information, I will give you all those access codes for your subscription. Okay? Well, have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe. We will be making more videos, more giveaways soon, so if you don't want to miss out, click that bell and have a great day. Adios, ciao! Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Learn European Portuguese online.